They all have their pros and cons, and they're all good in different ways. This is the easiest one to use out of everything. All right, welcome back to the channel, everybody. This is the Can You Do Any Better Investing channel, and that's part of the Can You Do Any Better Investing Network. We're an educational channel. We dedicate ourselves to learning about all things investing. You know, we started in stocks, options. We do a lot of crypto talk, Bitcoin most specifically, but we'll talk about anything that comes up in the investing world. We're trying to learn. We're all trying to learn together. I did a video the other day on how to buy XRP, which is a certain type of cryptocurrency. It got a really good reaction. I got a lot of positive response on that, and you know, all this stuff is new to a lot of people, and it's not easy to do. So I've decided I'm going to do a series of how-to videos. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I would call this a how-to video. And today what we're going to do is talk about a very popular cryptocurrency. Started out as a meme. We're talking about Dogecoin. So today I'd like to walk through how to buy Dogecoin. Particularly in the world of cryptocurrency, there's 100 or 1,000 different ways to do everything. Some of them are quite complicated, and if you're trading obscure altcoins, you need to know how to do those things. If you're trading Dogecoin, there's actually a pretty easy solution for you to do it. So I'm just going to spend a minute talking about Dogecoin, and then I want to get right to showing you how to buy a Dogecoin if you're interested in buying one. Please press thumbs up on this video, subscribe, and you can hit the notification so that you can get notifications every time I do another how-to video. All that said, let's take a look at Dogecoin. So I'm just going to spend a minute looking at the chart. So from a chart standpoint, you can see this is the 6-month chart on Dogecoin. This has fluctuated as low as under 18 cents all the way up to 74 cents at the beginning of May. Elon Musk has a lot to say about Dogecoin. Sometimes as he sends out a tweet, it really pumps up the value of Dogecoin. So this is an extremely volatile coin to trade. It started out, well, I'll give you a look behind the scenes at how this thing started and evolved, but essentially it's a bit of a, like the meme stocks are going on right now, GameStop and all that stuff. This is kind of a meme coin, but it does have value. In fact, its value is right now over $40 billion. So, but you can see the ups and downs here. We've been at 17 cents, we've been at 74 cents. We've been at all points in between, you know, depending on a lot of things. That's a brief history. I want to get right to it and show you guys how to buy Dogecoin, because it's actually pretty easy. Okay, so I'm going to provide a link below. So in the description, you will see a link. Now, full disclosure, I'm an affiliate of Robinhood. So if you use this link, you will get a free stock and I will get a free stock. So I appreciate that. That helps the channel. That helps me keep doing these how-to videos. In addition to that, it's nice to get a free stock, so you guys get a free stock as well. Step 1, we're going to click the link. All right, it's going to take you to this screen. You're going to be in Robinhood. Hi there, your free stock referral from Thomas is waiting for you. You could get, and then it's showing you a couple here. You could get an Apple stock. I think the maximum value of the stock that you can receive, and again, this is a free stock to you. I think $250 is the most expensive stock that they give away. And here's what you have to do to get that stock. You're going to click through to claim your free stock. So I'm going to hit the button and it's going to take you to this page. Now, fund your account. You don't have to fund your account at this point to get your free stock. Having said that, if you're watching this tutorial to buy Dogecoin, then you may want to fund your account so that you can go ahead and buy the Dogecoin when you get to the finish line here. So if you want to do that, you can fund your account. You can say continue, fund my account, or you can hit I'll fund my account later. Now I'm logged in, so this just took me into my account. When you guys do this, it's going to ask you to sign up. So you're going to have to go through the sign up process. Robinhood is a very big platform. I put a Google search in most common used stockbrokers, just to put things in perspective. So down at the bottom it says related searches, best trading platforms. TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, E-Trade, Interactive Brokers, Robinhood, Charles Schwab. Those are the ones that come up. These are the big guys. And let me just show you, just so that you can understand, because I want you guys to be comfortable. Do your own due diligence. Look up Robinhood. Make sure you're comfortable with it, but you're going to give them, a lot of your personal information. So, you want to be comfortable before you just start passing out your personal information. If you look at Robinhood, they started in 2017. They've gone from 2 million users in 2020 to 13 million users, one of which is me. In comparison, TD Ameritrade, which is one of the big dogs that was on the list that we just looked at, they have 11 million clients. So quite a bit, pretty similar. Charles Schwab, this was the biggest one I could find. They have almost 32 million accounts, so that's the biggest one out of all of them that I could find. There may be one bigger in the world. E-Trade, which is very common, they have 3.7 million customers. So that's just to give you a little background on Robinhood, so that as you're signing up and giving your personal information, and again, look into this yourself. Please don't take my word or anybody else's word. You guys should do your own research. And make sure you're comfortable doing what you're doing, because again, you're going to give them your personal information, you're going to hook up your bank account, you're going to transfer money. Having said all that, this is, out of all the brokers that I use, they all have their pros and cons, and they're all good in different ways. This is the easiest one to use out of everything. This was made for the non-investor or the novice investor, but it's actually used by investors at all levels, because there's certain things that are just so easy to do on it. Now you've set up your Robinhood account. Hopefully you went and got your free stock. Now let's buy Dogecoin. And it really is just this simple. So there's a search box right here. I'm just going to type in Doge, and then you'll see cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin. I'm just clicking on it. It brings me right into the buying screen for Dogecoin. So it's saying right now it's trading at 31.5147 cents per coin. So I'm actually going to buy some of this just so that we walk through the process. I'm going to buy $10 in Dogecoin. So it's estimating that I'm going to get, 31.67 Dogecoin for my $10. So all we did so far, we just put Doge in the search bar. It pops right up. You select it. It pops right up to the screen where you buy it. You put in how much money you want to spend to buy the Dogecoin. I'm going to hit review order. You are placing an order to buy $10 of Dogecoin. The amount purchased may vary due to market volatility, etc., etc., etc. So, once you're ready, submit buy. Done. That's it. So that's what I'm saying. Robinhood is a very user-friendly interface. I'm doing this on the computer. I believe the vast majority of the world actually just has the app on their phone, and it's pretty much the same exact process on your phone. So, you can go buy and sell something on Robinhood in 1 minute on your phone on an app. So to me, that's the absolute simplest way to buy a Dogecoin. Yes, there are other ways to do it, and maybe we'll get into that in other videos in the future. But this is your basic ABCs on your how-to on how to buy Dogecoin. So again, hit the link in the description, and you will get a free stock. And I thank you in advance, because I will also get a free stock. So thanks for watching. Please remember to hit the like button. Leave any comments below. If you guys are able to sign up to this and you have a good experience or a bad experience or whatever, do me a favor. Come back to the video. Leave me a comment. I would love to know. And also leave me a comment. What video do you want to see? What how-to are you looking for? What's everybody looking to try to do out there? I know the Dogecoin is a very popular one. You guys let me know what else is going on. In the meantime, I will keep pumping out videos. Everybody, good luck trading, and I will see you in the next video.